Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off pop-ups here in Google Chrome. So if you're using a PC, on the upper right corner, click the three vertical dots, go to Settings. On the left side, go to Privacy and Security. Click Site Settings. Scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects under the content. Click that one. And then, as you can see, sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Click Don't Allow Sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So the good thing in here is that you will not be redirected, or like you will not be prone to clicking to something that you really do not intend. So like it's another layer for security as well. Like there are like intrusive pop-ups to make you go to a particular website, like an ads or virus or something. But the downside of it is that it might be like you might have another layer of step that you need to do. So like it will not be automatic and you will have to do it manually. Thank you and see you in the next video.